On a sunny Mother's Day morning, Lucilda sat on her cozy porch, the soft breeze ruffling her hair as she savored a glass of fresh fruit juice. Next to her, Thaddy leaned back in his chair, a smile on his face as he watched their 2-year-old daughter, Apple, playing in her bedroom, giggling joyfully while surrounded by stuffed animals. "Can you believe it's my first Mother's Day?" Lucilda asked, her eyes sparkling. She poured a bit more juice into her glass, her heart full. Thaddy nodded, chuckling. "I still remember the first time you held her. You looked like you were holding the whole world." Lucilda laughed, recalling that moment. "And now look at her. She's so full of life, always exploring." Just then, a joyful squeal floated through the open window as Apple peeked out, her tiny face lighting up with delight. "Do you think she'll remember this day?" Lucilda mused, glancing at Thaddy. "Maybe not when she's older, but she'll always know how much she's loved," he replied, his voice warm. As they shared stories about their dreams for Apple, Lucilda felt an overwhelming gratitude spread within her. Today wasn't just Mother's Day. It was a celebration of their little family, and she couldn't have wished for a more perfect moment. With laughter echoing through the house, Lucilda raised her glass. "Here's to many more Mother's Days, filled with love and laughter." To which Thaddy replied, smiling brightly, "And to our little sunshine, Apple."